Hi there, I'm Andy, also known as Digital Nomad Grandad. I'm a 66-year-old English guy living in Warsaw, Poland, and I'm here to invite you to join something brand new and very exciting. It's called the Seniors Digital Income Academy, and it's being created for people just like you and me, people over 50 who are ready to learn about AI and take more control of their income and their time. For the past few years, I've been working online, first teaching English, and lately I've been creating content on YouTube about using AI tools like ChatGPT. Recently, I started a 90-day YouTube challenge. Today is day 30 and I haven't missed a day. As I've been producing my daily videos, I've received lots of support and also feedback from my viewers, people like you. And I realised that so many of us over 50 feel left behind when it comes to tech, and especially AI. We have so much experience, so many ideas. We just need the tools and someone who understands where we're coming from and where we want to get to help us use those tools effectively. We didn't grow up with this technology, but that doesn't mean we can't learn it. I'm proof of that. And it certainly doesn't mean we can't use it to improve our lives or even to create an income stream from it. That was when I realized that I need to step up and help others who haven't come as far as I have in the whole tech learning process. I hired a mentor and a coach who has helped me and is still helping me so much, and I want to share all that knowledge with you. That's why I'm building the Seniors Digital Income Academy, a step-by-step training hub to help late starters learn how to master AI tools like ChatGPT and many others, how to use these tools to create digital content, offers and products, how to build income streams that work from anywhere in the world, and how to stay ahead of the tech curve. And all of this without the technical jargon and overwhelm that normally comes along with it. But before I open the doors of the Academy to the public, I'm inviting a small group of people to help shape the content that's needed the most. They'll be known as the Founders Circle, and entry will be limited to just 25 people. Founders will get direct input on what gets built, and the founders' most pressing problems will be the ones tackled first. Founders will also get early pre-release access to all Academy content and materials. In fact, in return for helping me to build the best training courses, founders will get lifetime access to all courses, templates, resources, even coaching, and all for a one-time only crazy low cost. That's right, no subscriptions, no upsells, nothing more to pay ever. And there will only ever be 25 founding members. That's it. After that, I'll close the doors and this offer will be gone for good. And if you want to be part of something meaningful, if you want to be part of a movement to empower seniors with AI, and if you like the idea of lifetime access to everything we build for a single, tiny, one-time cost, visit digitalnomadgrandad.com/founders and join the waiting list. That's digitalnomadgrandad.com/founders. There's also a link in the description. When there are enough people on the waiting list, I'll send you an invitation to join the Founders Circle. Let's build something incredible together. Thanks for watching, and I hope to welcome you as a founder soon.